locators in Selenium. Locators in Selenium. Previously we are discussed ID, class name, tag name, name, link test and partial link test. Suppose if you are not watch up to here, you can go there, watch the previous videos. Okay, now we are going to very important topic. We are going to discuss XPath and CSS selectors. First we are going to discuss XPath. See, suppose if we are unable to find any element in web page. Previously we are finding the element ID, class name, tag name, name, link test and partial link test. Suppose apart from this we are unable to find any web element, we can go to XPath. XPath is we can find the web element dynamically. Suppose sometimes changing the element dynamically. In that situation we are going to find using the XPath element. Okay, so now this is the XPath is very important. Okay, what is the XPath? How many types of XPath? How to use the XPath? XPath is suppose if you are unable to failed the finding the element using the ID, class name, CSS, that in that situation you can use the XPath. Okay, sometimes dynamically change the element in DOM structure. In this is for the one DOM structure. See, inspect element, this DOM structure. In this DOM structure, dynamically changing the element. See, this is for the, see, dynamically changing the element. See, suppose if you go there, see here, check it here. If you run this one, automatically changing the element, dynamically changing the element. In that situation, you can go the XPath. So if you are using the XPath, accurate value you will get it. Most of the real time they can use the only for XPath. Most of the real time. Okay, so what XPath is? This is for the syntax. This was syntax. Double quotation, tag, at, open bracket, at, attribute value. Here is image. Suppose in DOM structure, tag name is image, and sometimes div, sometimes input. Okay, based on the requirement. Open tag, at, alt. Alt means attribute. Value means value. This is the way we can write it in XPath. This is the XPath syntax. Don't forget, remember this one. Okay. Okay. Now, how many types of XPath? How many types of XPath? How many? This is the most important question. How many types of XPath? XPath is two types: absolute XPath and a relative XPath. Absolute XPath, the absolute XPath is often to have a full structure. See, DOM, when we start the root, okay, suppose your element is here. We are finding the element here. From absolute XPath, we need to write the XPath from starting onwards, where whatever requirement is there, up to here we need to write it. See here, suppose here is your requirement. You cannot able to directly write it here. Okay, from DOM structure starting onwards, end up to end, we need to write it here. See, the absolute XPath is often referred to the full XPath, which is starting from the beginning of the HTML document root. From root onwards, the absolute XPath starting from the single slash. Single slash only can be started. Don't forget, this is the most important question. What is that? How many types of XPath? XPath is two types. Absolute XPath can be written starting from the DOM structure or HTML document root. Okay, absolute XPath can start with single slash. Most of the time they cannot write the absolute XPath. Why? Because suppose here is your web element. Okay, sometimes requirement change. In middle any changes is happen. Okay, we cannot update. This total XPath will failure. Okay, this is the website. Middle any element, if you are changing the any element in this DOM structure middle, we cannot able to, suppose after that run the application, the XPath will be failure. So most of the 99% XPath, obsolete XPath, they cannot write it. Okay, so I can go there. See here. See here, this is the HTML. Suppose if you are finding this phone name, see, phone name is here. If you want to write it absolute XPath, from here onwards we need to write it. DOM structure, HTML, body, how many divs is there, up to here we need to write it. In this, in between, any requirement is changed. Any requirement, suppose phone is there, they are changed category name, some other name. Okay, it doesn't know. In that time, XPath will be failure. So they are not a preferred obsolete XPath most of the time. Okay, next one is relative XPath. What is the relative XPath? Relative XPath is a starts with double slash. See, relative XPath start with double slash. Okay, XPath starts from the middle of the DOM structure. Suppose you can go there, you don't want to write it starting onwards. How you can write it the ID, class name? Similar way, you can middle of the XPath, we can write it here. Okay, starting with double slash. Okay, example, H reference pricing. Same thing, we can write it one example here. We can get the clarification. See, this is the example. Okay, see, tag name, bracket at attribute value. Okay, this is the way we can write span at ID, ID, you can use ID, name, anything, whatever requirement they are writing there, you can write it here. See, we can go there practically, we can understand it. See, basic XPath, this is the basic XPath. See, they are writing to here, example, using the input, label, okay, and this one is input, type, syntax, ID, value. Okay, sometimes we don't want to write it in input, we can use the star itself, not an issue. Star means such a particular name. Instead of input, we can use star. Okay, so we can go there. I can show it you in practical example. Okay, this is the package, demo ARC package. Now I can go create a class. In this class, demo XPath. So I create the class. Demo XPath. Okay, now web driver manager dot Chrome driver dot setup. Already I explained this line of code. See, then web driver is an interface. Driver is created an object. Need to driver equal to new Chrome driver. Now why I am import the, I need to import the package. See, web, okay, sorry, a small letter, web driver. See, import the package equal to new Chrome driver. Now I am using the Chrome, so browser, so import the Chrome driver here. this step also I explained previously. Now I need to open web page. How to open the web page? Using the driver dot get method. Driver dot get a single web page we can open. Okay, now I can go there. This one I can go there. Web page. See this one. Now I load the web page. I need to maximize. Driver dot manage dot window dot minimize the application. Okay, now next step is, here is this two step already explained previous videos, we can go and check it here. Now here is driver dot get, I load the web page. After loading the web page, maximize the web page. Just we can run it, we can check the application how it is run. Okay, fine, maximize the web page. Now driver dot find element by dot, previously we are using the id, link test, name, partial link test, text. This is where we are writing. Now here we can use it to XPath. Okay, XPath. Now what is the XPath? If you are going to there, now I need to get this text. Suppose I can go there, right click here, see right click here, I given the right click, I can go there directly. I am not using the first onwards relative absolute XPath, I am writing the relative XPath. Control F, give the Control F, then open the one box here. Now here you need to write, verify the XPath here, double slash. See, first scenario, what is the first scenario? See here, double slash, XPath syntax, double slash, tag name. What is the tag name here? See, I need to get this phone text. What is the tag name here? A is the tag name, double slash tag name. Okay, now I can go again to this one, tag name, bracket. Again I can go there, bracket. Next, what is the next step? Yet attribute. What is attribute here? ID. I can take ID or class, anything you can take. I can take here ID equal to item. Attribute value, item. Okay, itemic. Okay, now what is the syntax here? Is it clear? Tag name at attribute value. This is the attribute, ID is attribute value, tag name is A. Once type it this one, it is fine. Okay, now here one more thing is there. This phone is 3, check it here, 3 is there. So we can get it a unique anything. 3 is there. We can discuss later on how to get exactly. Otherwise, wait a moment. Category also one item is there, I think so. Wait a moment. just a moment. Okay, category one of one. This is for the 3. We can discuss later how to fetch exactly. Now one of one is I need to get this category name. So attribute tag name yet attribute value. So I can go there, IXBC ID, then paste it here. Okay, fine. Now before web element equal to import the package. See, system dot out dot println element dot get text. Okay, if I run this one, what will happen? You can check it here. See, you get the category text. Get text, we need to get the text inside text. This method also I explained previously. If you want to get inside the text, get inside the text using get method, get text method. Already explained this, what is a get text method. This is the way we can write the XPath, simple XPath. Okay.